your girl, Igbo with Queen TV. Welcome to my channel where I help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. In this channel, I teach how to speak Igbo and I help beginners learn how to speak Igbo language. If you're a beginner and you don't know where to start, don't worry, this channel and this particular video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the meaning of Igbo names for baby girls. In case you're pregnant and you're confused of which Igbo name you're going to give your child, this video is actually for you. In case you're planning to give birth to a baby and it's a baby girl, stay tuned and I'm going to be listing out few Igbo names for baby girls. Let's go. Adora. Adora. Adora means the first daughter of all. That is Adora, the first daughter of all. That means Adora, the first daughter of all. The first daughter of all the generation. That is Adora, the first daughter of all. Not just one, not just two, but all. That is Adora. And it's a very beautiful name to give your daughter. The second one is Adanaya. 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 Adanaya means the first daughter of her father. Adanaya means the first daughter of her father. That is Adanaya, the first daughter of her father. That is Adanaya, the first daughter of her father. That is Adanaya. Adanne. Adanne, the first daughter of her mother. Adanne, the first daughter of her mother, just like Adanaya, the first daughter of her father. This one is Adanne, the first daughter of her mother. That is Adanne, the first daughter of her mother. Adanne. Adeze. Adeze, a very beautiful name. Adeze, the first daughter of a king. Adeze is the first daughter of a king. That is Adeze, the first daughter of a king. Adeze means the first daughter of a king. That is Adeze. Adamma. Adamma, a very beautiful name. Adamma, the first daughter of beauty. Adamma means the first daughter of beauty. That is Adamma. Adamarama, the first daughter of beauty. Adamma means the first daughter of beauty. That is Adamma. Adobi. Adobi. Adobi means the first daughter of a king. Adobi means the first daughter of a king. That is Adobi, the first daughter of a king. Adobi means the first daughter of a king. That is Adobi, the first daughter of a king. That means Adobi, the first daughter of a king. Ifunanya. Ifunanya. Ifunanya means the only one I see with my eyes. That is Ifunanya. Ifunanya means the only one I see with my eyes. That is Ifunanya, the only one I see with my eyes. That is Ifunanya, the only one I see with my eyes. That is Ifunanya, the only one I see with my eyes. That is called Ifunanya. Nkechi. Nkechi means God's gift. Nkechi means God's gift. Nkechi means God gift. the gift of God. That is Nkechi. The name Nkechi is the gift of God. God's gift, the gift of God. That is Nkechi, the gift of God. Asampete. Asampete. Asampete means beautiful girl. Asampete. Asampete means beautiful girl. Asampete, it means beautiful girl. Chioma. Chioma. Chioma means good God. Chioma means good God. Chioma means a good God. God is good, or good God. That is the meaning of Chioma, good God. Amarachi. Amarachi. Amarachi means God's grace, the grace of God. The grace of God. That is Amarachi, God's grace, the grace of God. Amarachi means the grace of God. That is Amarachi, the grace of God. Chiemerie. Chiemerie. Chiemerie means God's win. God win. Chiemerie is God win, like God win. God win. That is Chiemerie. God win, like God has win. Chiemerie, God has win. Chiemerie means God has win. That's the meaning of Chiemerie. God has win. Ifunanya. 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 Ifunanya means love. Ifunanya means love. Ifunanya or ihunanya. Ifunanya, that means love. If you're going to give your baby girl Ifunanya, her name is totally love. Ifunanya means love. Ifunanya means love. So guys, we're going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.